Hi, we are here in South Korea, so we are going to visit the Samsung nearest store where you can see the hands-on of S10 5G phone, which is recently launched in all over the South Korea and it will be available in other countries from May 2019. So let's discuss some dimensions, some specifications and some other features about S10 5G. So it has 162.6 into 77.1 into 7.9 mm and the weight is 198 gram. The build is front back glass and there is a 1 nano SIM and their other features Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified. So if we talk about the display is 6.7 inches and the resolution is 1440 to 3040 pixels. The protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 6. So what about the memory? There are two memories available. The first is 260 GB, 256 GB and the second one is with 512 GB. And there will be a 8 GB RAM. So now talk about the main cameras. There are four main cameras. The first camera is 12 megapixel with 1.4 into 2.4 and again second camera is 12 megapixel with frame of 2.4 into 1552 micro telephoto. And the third camera is 16 megapixel f2.2 into 12 mm ultra wide. The feature flash auto HDR panorama. So the selfie camera is 10 megapixel and there is a dual video call auto HDR and the video quality is 2160p with 30 frame per second. So what are the colors? And the colors, this phone is available in prism white, golden and the black color. So